What is up, you mindful savages? Jim Romig here from the Internal Roots Movement. Welcome back, or welcome here for the first time. Any case, we're going to play around with the med ball today. Wall ball, battle ball, I don't know, whatever the hell you want to call it. But we're going to do some planks. It's going to be super fun, I promise. So grab yourself a spot on the floor, grab yourself a medicine ball, and prepare to listen to your body. Sounds good? Perfect, let's do it. All right, you guys, as promised, let's go ahead and get started on those planks. So we're going to grab our med ball, wall ball, battle ball, whatever the hell, and you're going to bring it right in front of your hips. Yeah, it's going to be awesome. So for now, fingers are turned out. We're going to make sure the ball is in front of our hips and under our chest. Not out in front of our chest, but under our chest. Now, let's go ahead and press those feet into the floor. Rotate your biceps forward. Pull your chest through, pull your chin back. Nice and proud. Hide the tail, giving it position with your hips. So we're giving it with pride. It's going to be a recurring theme. Give it with pride, much as you can. So butt tight, posture. So once you feel cool there, drive down through that ball and let's lift those knees off the ground. Again, the ball is under the chest, even under the belly a little bit, not out in front of us, not for now. So let's keep pulling our upper body forward by driving the ball into the ground, but pull your lower body back by pushing your heels into the wall behind you. Rotate your thighs outwards. Ooh, hide your tail, bite down in your underwear. Magnificent. See how my head was falling down towards the floor? That's what gravity will do. Resist, overcome gravity. Lengthen that neck out. Keep squeezing, keep holding, keep tucking. We're almost there. Butt tight, thighs tight, drive those heels back. Pull your chest forward, lengthen that spine out. Keep holding, keep squeezing, keep going. And let's go ahead and bend the knees, bring our knees down from there, and take a second and sit back. Because now we're gonna go into our clinch plank. So we went from our hands a second ago, now we're gonna go from forearms. Same idea, same setup. So let's go onto the forearms. Nice tight fist. Forearms are parallel to each other, not angled in. So we have our elbows squeezing that whole time to help out. So forearms are parallel, ball under the chest, belly-ish area. Give it with pride. Once you feel good, lock those knees out. Drive those heels back. Pull that face away from the floor. Remember, a little rotation outwards on your thighs while keeping your feet in place. Helps you hide that tail and bite down those undies. Even rotating your upper arms outwards as you work for that posture. Keep squeezing, keep holding, keep tucking that booty. Ooh, head might be falling down towards the floor. Lengthen that neck, pull your face away from the ground. If you're shaking, you're doing it right. And now slowly, let's go ahead and bring those knees down to the floor. And bring ourselves back from there. Oh, thank God. Killer work, you guys. Thank you very much for putting up with me today. Hopefully you had a little bit of fun exploring, playing, and communicating with your body. Maybe your body told you something and you connected with something that you didn't connect with before. But now that you know these two variations of a plank on a med ball very, very well, incorporate them into your life however you want. Put them in whatever drills you want to do, or just play with them by themselves. Because just that one drill, or those two drills, is a big gateway to all kinds of other cool stuff when you're flowing around on a med ball. So go ahead and learn these individual things, and as time goes along, we'll start tying them together into full routines and flows. Sound pretty good? Awesome. All right, y'all, take care. If you can, like, share, subscribe, click on the stuff floating around here. And if you don't, no worries. I'll just be still, keep you coming back, and we'll see you next time. All right, guys, take care. Talk to you soon.